Oh my god, it's so dim.
Yeah, that's no, like
I
there was
can't
like
read
food
it
on my
on.
hand, and then I touched my camera, and
Okay. No, it's not visible.
I'll
Okay, no
just
problem.
dictate
Yeah,
it. So
we'll do the next problem. It's fine. You can send me offline. No problem. This part, okay? You can
what's
send
that?
me. You can send me offline this picture. Let's go to the next problem. Is it okay?
Okay.
You can then you can send me offline this picture so that I can just check and correct it and send it to you.
Okay.
Okay. So you have Joy. I think let's start from. I'll just explain you from this part. I'll just share my screen to you and then do that. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So yeah, can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this part you didn't understand, huh? So look at this part. Denominator is cos square x and the sine square x, right?
Yeah.
So anyway, we have already the 0 to pi integration. Limit is 0 to pi, right? So when you do the property number 4, so what you get, pi minus x you will try to, right? So f of x will be equal to f of pi minus x. So basically cos square x. So cos pi minus x will become cos x minus cos x, isn't it? So minus cos x whole square is cos square x only, correct? And sine square x again, sine pi minus x is again sine x only, so sine x, the denominator remains the same, correct? So numerator will become pi minus x, so that's why numerator is kept as pi minus x. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Property number 4. Next part is that, now what you got, we solve it, no, we got this one, pi we kept it and the denominator came this one, right? It's the same thing. Now what are we doing now in this case? Pi. So we will add the no, we just separate it out now. Pi minus x is there, so basically you separate the numerator as a fraction. Pi by denominator minus x by denominator. Is it okay? See, we separated the numerator as a fraction. So pi by the denominator, then x by denominator. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Not clear?
Not really, sir.
Okay, no problem. Let's explain to you from here. Look, this is the this is the denominator, isn't it? This, what I'll do is, let's say for the time being, this denominator, this is the denominator. This is the denominator, right? Is it okay? So this this denominator, can I keep it like this, capital D? Is it okay? So what is the integration now you got? Integration is pi minus x, the whole divided by denominator, isn't it? Whole divided by denominator, isn't it?
Yeah.
Now I want to separate the numerator as a fraction. So what I'll do? It will become pi by d minus x by d. Correct?
Yeah.
So that's what is done here. So denominator is this. See, pi is numerator and this entire thing is denominator. And this is x. This part, x of d is nothing but this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So this second part, second integration is same as the first integration, no?
Yeah.
So basically this is I equal to, right? This is I equal to, and this entire term is I. Correct?
So now you can see it as well.
Now I can see, okay.
Last time we used the 2 cos theta and 2 cos A cos B formula and it didn't come. So
Yeah.
now what do we do?
We'll do that, don't worry. I'll explain to you.
So we have to use something else, right?
No, we'll use the same formula only. All the time same. Only the denominator part something is missing. So I'll explain to you what is going wrong in this file. Okay. We'll go one by one, don't worry. Let me
Okay.
just finish this part. So now this part is clear, Vijay? So now this
Yes, sir.
this I part, you're doing the transpose. This minus I, what are you doing? You're transpose to this part, right? So this you're transposing to here, right? So this you'll get 2I, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you just have to integrate this part. So numerator, the advantage you got is numerator became constant, pi, and only denominator you have. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, what are you doing now in this case? After that, we just have to solve this part. We applying the formula now. Property number 6, pi minus x. So basically we need to check whether this is an even function now. Isn't it? F of minus x is
Yeah.
f of x. So even function, that means limit will become the half. Can you see the limit has become half now, 0 to pi by 2?
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
When the limit is become pi by 2 and becomes a 2 times the function, you know. So pi by 2 is pi by 2 into 2, it will get cancelled. So pi only. Now this integration becomes 0 to pi by 2. What you did here now? We using the other method now. So pi by 2 again we are applying the same, again we are applying the y integration 0 to pi by 4 and pi by 5 to pi by 2. What is the advantage you will get? See, 0 to pi by 2 you can go from 0 to 45 and 45 to 90, right?
Yeah.
So same way we are doing 0 to pi by 4 to 90. Correct? Remember that 0 to 2a, how do we go? It's the same thing. You know the property number?
Okay.
Property number, which one? This property number we do like this, right? If integration is there, you have 0 to 2a. If you have a 0 and then you have a what is that? 2a. Then you go what? Then you go to integration 0 to a, 0 to a, and then plus you do, right? A to 2a, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So that's what is being done here. So it becomes a to 2a. A to 2a.
Okay.
Got it? So that's what is 0 to pi by
Yes,
2. We are
sir.
going with 0 to pi by 4 plus pi by 4 to pi by 2. And the integrand remains the same. Integrand is same. Correct? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now what you are doing, you are dividing cos square x on the numerator and the denominator also. So this becomes the secant square x, a square plus b square tan square x, and this becomes the cosec square x. Here what you do, here you are dividing with sin square x. So cosec square x divided by a square cot square x plus b square. Correct? So this you integrate separately, this you integrate separately. So here you put tan x as t, here you put cot x as t. Got it? So this will come
Yes,
in the
sir.
form of x square plus a square. Here also it will come in the form of x square plus a square. So again both will come as a tan inverse. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now you try it out. Interesting question. Huh?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay, just try it on. Okay, you sent me this Akshat, right? Let me just check whatever you sent me. This is what you sent, right?
So after that, we just put 2 cos A cos B. Well, that's what we did last time, and then the answer came wrong.
2 cos A cos B. Okay. I'll send the what you have done here. No, this is not the. This is only half you have. Half you done. Now the fresh you didn't do because this is in between. No. This is the in between you did.
I
Right?
stopped. No, this is fresh only.
Okay, cos 2
But then I
theta.
stopped here because last time it came down. by
Akshay,
one.
you okay? Okay, Akshat, no problem. Let's redo the sum. It's okay.
Yeah.
We'll redo the sum. No problem. Okay. So let's go to the question. What was the question I sent you? From there we'll take it forward.
Cos square tan.
Integration was, where is that?
Cos square 10 minus cos 10 cos 50 plus cos square 50.
Huh?
Yeah, that's the question.
Okay, so let me just so let me come to that part. Okay, within my okay, so you had so indefinite integral, indefinite. Okay, we were doing not indefinite. Okay, sorry, I went to indefinite integral. It was the trigonometry only, right?
What?
No, I'll just okay.
The question?
Question you have that, no? I think I have the question. I sent you the question.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Question was, okay. So the value of cos square 10 minus cos square 10, cos square 50, cos square 50, correct? So where you did here, cos square 10, where did you do cos 2? Okay, so cos square theta you applied, right? Cos square 60 and yeah, so 1 plus cos, okay. So 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2, so you applied it here. Cos
If you
20.
solve that, then you'll get cos 20 plus cos 100 plus 2 minus cos 60 minus cos 40.
Fine, no problem. That is what we want only. So cos 20 you got it, and see cos
If you
20
solve the 2 cos 10 cos 50 on the
and 1 by 2, where did you keep 1 by 2? Because 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 will become 1 now. Right?
what?
See here, look here, this part, right? So
Look
let's
where?
see, this is 1 by 2, huh? This is 1.
Yeah.
Huh? So this is 2. So basically when you separate it out, it becomes 1 by 2 plus cos 20 by 2, correct? And here this 1 by 2 plus cos 100 by 2, correct?
Wait. Cos.
This is what you written, cos 100, 150. What is that? 100 now? Should be 100.
1 second, wait.
It should be 1 plus cos 100 by 2.
Wait, cos square theta, so 2 goes there, so. Oh, yeah.
Right?
So it'll become 1 then.
Yeah. So 1 was missing, I guess, in the
Over here 1 by 2,
last
over
time.
here also 1 by 2. So over here it comes as plus 1.
Correct.
Over here also plus 1. Over here also plus 1. Oh, wait. 1 is what? 1 is cos 0. But that won't help.
No, 1, keep it 1 only. Why are you worrying?
Yeah.
That will come as addition, don't worry. That is what you need.
Yeah, then wait, we have cos 60
Yeah.
minus cos 60 minus cos 40, cos 20 and cos 100.
Yeah, try it out now. I think that's what's missing.
We only have 60 value.
Cos 60 1 by 2. No, 1 by 2 plus 1 becomes cos 3 by 2 then.
No, that's minus cos 60.
Okay, so minus cos
So
60.
minus 1 by 2.
Minus 1. So 1 minus 1 by 2. Right? 1 by 2.
So cos 20 degree, cos 100 degree, cos 60, wait no, cos 61 minus cos 40 degree, and then plus 1 by 2 is left. The whole thing divided by 2.
Yup.
So now cos 20 and cos 100.
Correct.
So all we do with cos 20 plus cos 100 minus cos 40.
Oh, so we'll we'll do cos 100 is cos 90 plus 10. No, we did that part. Remember?
Hmm?
And cos C minus cos D formula also we need to apply, no?
Oh, the C plus D formula.
Yeah.
So cos C plus cos D. We'll use on cos 20 and cos 100.
Yeah, you can use that, yes.
Fine, then what will come? 2 cos
61.
2 cos C plus D. 120 by 2. Oh, it came.
Hmm?
Yeah, like it came in proper values.
Given proper values?
Once. No, not full.
Ah, it'll come. Let's try. Should
Yeah. Oh wait, cos 60 we have 1 by 2. This and this get cut. So we have cos 40 minus minus cos 40 plus 1 by 2 by 2. And again we get the same answer.
Why? You'll get this different answer.
Again it came 1 by 4.
1 by 2. So 1 by
I that's why I stopped it when I did it.
Okay, no problem. So let's go to the place where you applied the formula. So 1
Wait, I'll
plus
send this.
it should come 1
This
plus
is
1.
not
It should be
for
3
me.
by 2. Okay, why it 1 plus 1? Yeah, cos 1 by 2 cos 60 you applied 1 by 2, right?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Cos 60. Let me see what you sent here. We can find out what where you went wrong. This is the next one. Oh my god, it's so
Yeah. No, it got dirty. I don't know.
how
I
it's so
cleaned
dim.
it, but
Can you see it?
no, I cleaned it.
Okay,
Now it's
no problem.
clean.
I just zoomed it now. We'll see. So 1 by 2, where is 1 by 2? And then, okay, so
That I changed it to 1.
that you changed it to 1. So 1 plus 1 by 2.
This is a reminder.
1
Brush
by
my
2.
teeth.
1 by 2. Okay. So, okay, let's see where you applied the formula here. This part is there. Okay, so after that something went wrong in the formula. You applied cos 10 and cos 50, right?
So I took 2 there, then I got
2 you
back
took.
to...
So 2 by 2 you did, right?
Oh,
Okay, no problem. That's fine. So 2 by 2 you took here, and then and
cos
after
A plus
that
B.
this 1 by 2, where is this one? This one is separate?
Yeah, this one.
This one is separate. Okay. This one is that 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 was added, huh? This 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2.
Yeah, the whole thing
Okay.
is divided by 2.
Okay, no problem. Perfect. So this when you do it here, that's fine. Okay, so here you got 60, you know. So cos this is cos A
Cos
cos
A
B.
plus B plus cos A minus B.
Cos A plus B, cos A minus B. Okay.
Yeah.
So you applied that. So you got yeah, no problem. So what did you get? Cos 60 plus cos 40. Okay, no. Okay, no problem. I think oh, you apply cos, yeah, cos 10 and cos 50, right? So it will become, okay, so A is 10, B is 50, so 10 plus 50 cos 60, and then plus cos 50, cos 40, so it's fine. So it will become minus cos 60 and minus cos 50, correct? Cos 40.
Yeah.
Oh, that's fine, that's correct. So what you did is right only. So let's go to that. So
Cos minus 40 is cos 40.
so
only. So once you take it out, it'll be
cos
plus
60
cos
is how
40.
much? 1 by 2.
Yeah.
So 1 minus 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 only, right?
Yeah.
And 1 was also remaining. Where is you got
No,
okay,
it's correct.
it's fine,
no?
fine, no problem. So 1 by 2, so you got yeah, no problem. So you got 1, you know, so it's fine, no problem. So your answer is still here is correct. But I'm just thinking when you applied it here.
Then cos 20 and cos 100 I took the C plus D formula. So I got 160.
Here you took cos 100 is cos 100 was
Yeah,
separate.
so
Cos 100 is separate only. So
you can go down. No, you can go down. You'll see. Yeah. So we did 100 plus 20 by 2 and 100 minus 20 by 2.
so 1 by no, somewhere there's minus plus. Okay, no, let's see. No problem. We'll do that. So cos 20, and now after that, what you have taken here? Cos 100 is here. Cos 20 plus cos 20 and cos 40 was there. No, somewhere. Where is the here? Cos 40 is there. Cos 40
Yeah.
is there, and cos 100 though is not required to take it, because anyways cos 20 and 40 and cos 60. 40 and 20 we can do. Cos 60 is anyway we have to put 1 by 2, right?
Yeah.
Why again cos 60 came here when?
Where?
Okay, this cos 60 we didn't do this part. Oh, something is wrong here.
How? Why did the cos 60 get cancelled? I just took cos 60.
Cos 6. See, we already applied here. Then cos 60 was there, right?
Yeah, cos 60 plus cos 40.
So cos 60 you value will substitute 1 by 2, right? Minus 1 by 2.
Yeah, so
Okay.
minus 1 by 2 I did with 1.
Fine.
And then I put it at the end as plus 1
Okay,
by
so
2.
cos 20. Now you got cos 20. Cos this is what?
100.
100. Okay, cos 100. And minus cos 40. Plus
Yeah.
1 by 2. You know?
Yeah.
Plus 1 by 2. Okay. So okay, cos 1 by 2. 2 cos. Okay, so somewhere. Oh, one moment. I guess something is wrong here. Cos 60 here. Okay, one moment here. When you took the cos, that was cos square 60, right? No, cos square 50. Cos square 50 you already took the 1 plus cos by 100, 1 plus cos 100 by 2. So this 1 by 2 separately came out here, and this 1 by 2 separately came out here, and you put it's 1 here, and this 2 by this also is 2 here, and this will become by 2 you did. I know. So everything you took in the everything you have taken in the denominator 2, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1, and then this has the something here. Okay, minus cos 10 cos of t, so cos c cos d, so minus, so minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Okay, 2 cos. Okay, 2 cos 10. Okay, so this looks
Sir,
fine.
how is it wrong, sir? It's correct, no?
Yeah, it looks correct only. So 2 cos. Yeah, 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So 1 by 2.
First, sir, 1 minute. I'll come from the washroom.
Fine, no problem.
Yeah, just 1 minute.
This is interesting, man. Why house? 2 1 plus. Yeah, this is fine. 1 plus. This is 1 only. So yeah, your value is correct. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So yeah, your answer is correct. No, your method is correct.
So,
Yeah, Vijay.
I'm looking at this exercise. The first one, we use partial fractions, right?
Okay. Yeah. Ajay, exercise. You started with exercise now? Oh, good.
Yes, sir.
So first one. This is partial fraction only, correct?
Okay.
This is partial fraction. X by x minus. So you take 1 by x common. It will become the x minus 1 minus x square. No? So it will become 1 minus
Yeah.
x into 1 plus x. Then you can apply the partial fraction. A by x plus b by
Okay, sir.
1
And
minus
could
x.
you tell me the formula to get the values of A, B, and C? I forgot that one.
Ajay, you forgot that one? Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll just tell you now, bro. It's pretty straightforward. So let's do this part now. This is this part, right? So let's do. Okay, so here you forgot this part. Okay, it's simple. What you'll do is here you just keep it here as equal to. So what is that? A by
A by x plus B by 1 plus x plus C by 1 minus x.
exactly. So this I'll put it as A by x. Okay, where is that? Yeah. So this part you know, A by x plus. So that you already got it. So b by 1 minus x plus c by 1 plus x, right?
Yeah.
Correct, no? Okay, now what we'll
Yes,
do
sir.
is, so here in this part here only we'll solve it. You remember the shortcut, right? You forgot the shortcut or you remember?
Yes, I forgot the shortcut.
No problem. This is x. This is 1 minus x and this become 1 plus x, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here put a value we want to find. So a term x is 0. You put x equal to 0. Not here. Everywhere you put x equal to 0. So 1 minus 0
Okay.
into 1 plus 0. So 1. So a value will become, what is the numerator you got? 1. So a value will be 1.
Okay.
So this term, x term, you make it 0.
Okay.
Substitute x as 0. Not here in this, except for this part. Don't substitute here. No need to substitute it here. Put x as 0 here. And put x as 0 here. Solve it.
Okay.
1 minus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 by 1 is a value become 1. Correct, no?
Okay.
Similar b. 1 minus x is equal to 0. So x will be 1. So don't put x is equal to 1 here. Put x as 1 here. And put x as 1 here.
Okay.
So it will become 2. So b will become 1 by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2.
Okay.
So 1 by 2. Got it, no?
Yes, I got it now.
Understood? 1 plus
Yeah,
x.
understood.
X is equal to minus 1. You don't have to substitute it here. Because it will become 0. So you substitute minus 1 here. Got it, no? Clear?
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, try it out.
Yeah.
Akshat, your method is right. It doesn't look like it's wrong. It's correct only. Because what no, in the question I think there is some mistake in the question, Akshat. Because they have put it plus here, so that's a mistake there. You got it? Oh, good. So this miscellaneous only is interesting, Vijay. So we have to do miscellaneous only. Now here the
there are so
combination,
many
everything all the
questions.
combination will
44.
come. Huh?
There are 44 questions.
Yeah. So whatever is smart work, Vijay. It's better than better do this 44 question here than doing the 1000 questions from R.S. Agarwal or the R.D. Sharma,
Yeah.
right? So it covers
Yes,
all the
sir.
scenarios, which is fine. Otherwise,
Okay, sir.
if you start solving the R.D. Sharma, you will not come out only.
Yeah.
I mean, months will take to finish the integration only.
Yes, sir.
So it's better. Comparing to that 44 questions, this is very less. Right?
Yeah.
Plus you can solve this integration 1 questions. This is nice. I think we can, once you are done, then I think you can go to this part, Vijay, right? What I sent you, integration. Did you try some things on the integration part?
Not yet, sir. I thought we do it after I'm done with this chapter.
After that,
Because the
fine.
miscellaneous is the hardest part yet.
Fine. After miscellaneous, you can do that.
Yeah.
After miscellaneous, you can just try the this part, maths one, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
This part. Let's go to the. What was the integration, right? Indefinite integrations 263. So we can go to the 263 indefinite integration. Yeah, from here, this looks like the miscellaneous questions only. So after miscellaneous, it will be useful for you,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
That will be nice. So once you do from here, I think how many questions will be there, Vijay, for you? And this 23 questions, alphabet, some special integration. Here, if you can do the special integration, no, this part, integration by parts, you have already done it. So actually, it's pretty good because they have categorized into the different form, which will be work on the partial fraction, which will be that part. So totally, how many
Yeah.
questions? Around 60 questions, I think. Yeah, objective questions are also here, analytical. Yeah, it'll be really good, yeah.
Okay,
Then
sir.
because all the scenarios will be get covered for you. There's nothing.
Yeah.
If any formula is missing, we can just work on that formula. If we can take the formula from the other book and finish it off,
Okay, sir.
right?
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be starting little tricky will be there because it won't be so straightforward as like this, but it'll be easy. But once you get used to it, it's fine.
Okay.
Yeah? Or definite integration, common. Both you can try it out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Chapter by chapter is nice. It will be really good for you. Even if you do the selective part, every day 1 hour should be also fine for you.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, Akshat, you're there?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. So Akshat, I checked your thing is correct only, Akshat, because this part is minus, so it cannot be, cannot be
Yeah,
1 plus
exactly.
1 by 2. So your answer is correct. I don't think so. Your answer is wrong here, but we just need to check whether everything is correct or not here.
But that's a JE question. How can they give the options wrong?
No, this is, I understand that because there in that part they have taken this as a, plus.
Then they are wrong.
Yeah, this is, I checked because their answer this coming is 1 plus 1. This becomes the entire thing is becoming 2 here.
Yeah, it's becoming 3. That's getting
thing.
answered instead of 1 by 2.
Yes.
It comes as 3 by 2.
3 by 2 it will come.
And
But here it is minus, no, so not possible at all.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes. 1 minus cos 60, but let's see whether everything is great from here, this part or not. Cos 100.
This is like the third time I did this question.
But it's good. This learning is more than enough to solve the 10 more problems. Got
Yeah.
it. This learning you can't compare with any other. You solved the 10 questions, but that learning, if you get everything correct, you won't learn much unless you
Yeah.
make the mistakes and correct it, debug it. That learning is much,
Yeah.
higher. So cos 60 plus cos 100 you did, plus 1 minus cos 60 minus cos, what is this? Cos 40, right?
Yeah, cos 40.
Okay, so after that you use the cos A plus cos D formula. Cos
Yeah.
20, cos 100. Then after minus cos 40, 1 plus 1 by 2. Okay, correct. Now cos 40 you separated out, 20 plus 100. So 20 plus 100 cos C plus cos D formula.
60.
Yeah, 2 cos
And
60
then 100.
and cos 100 minus 20, 80, 40, correct.
No, it'll be 20 minus 100, but yeah, it's positive.
So you are 40 only, cos 60, correct. 1 by 2 cancel. So cos 40 minus cos 40 plus 1 by 2. Yeah, so cos 40 cancel, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. Yeah, correct. This answer is correct. Otherwise, the problem is there only. There's minus and plus sign. I checked that part. If this had been a plus sign, then it would have correct. Otherwise, incorrect.
Yeah.
They might have printing mistake. Who knows?
No, how can there be a printing mistake of 1 by 4 on this?
Yeah, no, but no question. I'm telling question.
Oh,
In the question, instead of they would have somewhere it will written, right, or copied
Yeah.
from somewhere, right? If the handwritten or something, then definitely would have mistake can happen.
yeah.
Otherwise, fine. But as long as your method is fine, so you don't have to worry.
Yeah.
Why to worry? So 1 or 2 questions should not hamper your working.
Yeah. So,
Huh.
so in this question, it comes tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 into 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta. Now what can we do?
Okay, let me see the question.
Oh wait, yeah, I have to screen share.
I'll stop presenting. Yeah. Yeah, Vijay, you're getting it? This question?
Yes, I'm getting this one.
Excellent. Superb.
Yeah, can you see it?
One moment. Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah, so this one.
Which question? Tan theta.
Yeah, tan theta plus 135.
Acha, tan theta plus 130. Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah, so in this I got tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 for the left side into 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta.
Okay.
So the second one that we can write as tan 45 plus theta,
Tan 45 plus theta.
because we just proved it out. This
Ah,
one.
that's yeah, you can do that. Yeah, why not?
But then that won't help,
Okay.
and I don't think you have to use this and that.
Okay, try.
Because like that's not a formula, no. This is like what you're proven.
That's okay. You can try the.
Yeah, but it won't help anyways. We don't need in 45. If it should come in theta's form and somehow cancel out.
See, tan A plus B into tan A minus B. That is as simple as that. Right. You can just expand it. You should be able to get it.
Yeah, I expanded. Then only I got no.
So
I got tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1.
tan theta minus 1 by 1 plus tan theta. Okay. So that will be given as
Tan 135 is minus 1 and tan 315 is also minus 1.
okay.
So when you get tan theta plus tan 35 on top by 1 minus tan theta tan 35.
Uh-huh.
So top you get tan theta minus 1 by 1 plus tan theta for the left wala.
Correct.
Then the other side you get tan theta minus tan 45 by 1 plus tan theta tan 315. So
Correct.
tan 315 is again minus tan 45, which is minus 1. So tan theta minus 1. So tan theta plus 1
Uh-huh.
by 1 minus tan theta, because that tan theta tan 315 will be minus tan theta.
Okay.
So when you like arrange it properly, then it will come it as tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1 into 1 plus tan theta by 1 minus tan theta.
Okay. So let's do one more thing. You know?
It's correct to me, but then I don't know, there's some formula I don't know or something.
No, that's fine. So you got that part, right? So so we can write something like that. Okay, so here, so only thing is in the 3 theta minus 315.
What?
So theta minus 315. So what we, okay, so how did you do the 315? You did 360 minus 45. Tan theta minus 315. How did you solve that part?
Tan theta minus 315.
Ah,
Yeah, so you took it as tan theta minus tan 315 by 1 plus tan theta tan 315, the normal.
Ajay, that normal thing you did. Okay.
Yeah, the tan A minus B formula.
So tan A minus, okay, tan A
So
minus,
tan theta minus tan 315.
yeah, correct.
So so it comes tan theta plus 1 on the
Yeah,
top,
correct,
and then down it comes as 1 minus tan theta.
Correct. And down it will come 1, yeah, correct, 1 plus tan theta, yeah.
Yeah.
And in 135 one,
135 one, it comes as tan theta minus 1 by tan theta plus 1.
yeah, so, okay, so tan theta plus,
Oh, wait.
yeah,
Wait, tan theta plus 1 gets cut.
okay. Numerator and denominator,
Oh, I forgot its multiplication. Wait. So it comes tan theta minus 1 by 1 minus tan theta. No?
1 minus tan theta is coming.
Yeah, tan theta minus 1 by 1 minus tan theta.
Ah, to minus 1, no? 1 minus tan theta, you change, take minus common, no?
Yeah, so tan theta minus 1 by minus you take common, then will come tan theta minus 1. So, minus 1 it came.
Got it now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you were so close to the answer only.
Yeah,
It was just justification had to be done.
yeah.
Correct, no? Your method was
Yeah.
right.
Yeah, got it.
Your method was right. Yeah, Vijay, which question are you doing now? Second
Only
one?
the second one, sir.
Okay, you're
Yeah.
getting second one?
Yes, sir.
Excellent.
It was a partial fraction. No.
This is not a partial fraction.
Oh. I tried doing a partial fraction.
No, so denominator, no, it can't do. How can you do that? Because it's a root of x plus a plus root of x plus b. So what do you need to do?
Okay.
Best way I think you can just do is the x plus
Do
a
we
and x.
rationalize it, sir?
Yeah, exactly. Absolutely true. Rationalize it and then do the
Okay.
integration. Yeah, it's easy. Yeah, correct.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just try it. Yeah, you got the answer.
What is
Akshat.
sine 15?
Sine 15. Oh, you have to do the sine 15. Sine 45 minus
Eh,
31. Sine a minus b formula. I think.
So
Sine
that'll
15 you
work.
have to remember.
We can take square outside, like it's minus sine square 15.
Huh?
So we'll take square outside and then inside we'll do sine 45
Yeah, you
minus.
can do that. Yes.
So 1 by 2 minus then bracket
Sine 15 value, you should remember that it's root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2.
root 3
Minus 1
minus 1
whole divided by 2 root 2.
2 root 2. Okay.
So numerator is root 3 minus 1. Denominator is 2 root 2.
Okay.
So you don't have to calculate it. I think some things you have to remember. Like tan 15, cos 15, sin 15, all these things you have to remember.
Root 2 minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. What is this? Oh wait, we have to factorize.
You know you have to square it now.
Root 2 minus root 3 is?
See, you'll get root 3 minus 1 whole square by 2 root 2 whole square. 2 root 2 whole square is nothing but 8 only. So root 3 minus 1 whole square by 8.
Oh,
that is
yeah.
sine square 15.
Wait.
And sine square 40.
Which all formulas do I have to remember? Sine 15, then...
Sine 15, cos 15, tan 15.
Then what else, like for other questions?
Other question which I already sent you the formulas. Sin A into sin 60 minus A into sin 60 plus A.
Yeah, that I know. Is 1 by 4 sine 3.
Yeah. Those things you have to remember. And what was that? Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Sine all multiplication also. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Actually, that's a sin C plus D or cos C plus D formula only. That's fine, I think. So only this part is important. As and when comes, then I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Because
Wait, so root 3 square is 3. Then 1 is 1 minus 1. Then there's 1 2ab. So 2 into root 3. Minus 2 root 3 by 8.
correct.
Now we get 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 2 root 3 by 8. So this we can cut by 2. So this 2. This will be 4. So 1 by 2 minus 2 minus root 3 by 4.
You need to remember sin 18 formula also, yeah. Sin 18.
Sine 18.
Sin 18, yeah.
Sine 18 also no. How many
Yeah.
are there?
Hey, that is all terms equate to 90. No, you have to remember. Like, see, if 18 degrees, then that means 18 into 5 is 90. So 18 into 5 can be written as 2a plus 3a should be equal to 90. 2 into 18 plus 3 into 18 should be equal to 90.
Oh yeah, answer came root 3 by 4.
So like that, some derivations you can do, and you can get the answers easily. But when you try to solve it, you have to substitute the values if you remember it.
Yeah.
So these are the important formulas. You have to directly put it there.
Wait, so what else is there? Sine 18.
Sin 18, yeah.
Sine 18 is... Wait, I'll write it.
Sin 18, so you can find it out by yourself also.
How? Sine 18? No.
Hey, you can find out, no? So you put x as 18, okay? So 5x will be equal to 90.
Yeah.
Then 2x plus 3x is equal to 90.
And then a plus b.
Then
formula.
apply the
sine
sine.
a plus b will be.
No, you can apply the different formula.
No, see, so 5x is there. Sine 5x is there.
Yeah.
Sine 5x is equal to 1.
Then?
Now we need x, no? Yeah, so sine 5x is equal to 1. Then sine 2x plus sine 2x plus 3x, 2x plus 3x in bracket is equal to 1.
Correct.
And then you can just do sine a plus b formula.
Yeah, correct. So sine 2x formula, yeah. Yes, you can do that. Then when you get the solve for x,
Wait. So what else? 15 is there, then 18 is there,
yeah.
then
Once you got 18, then you multiples of 18 you can get. 36 also you can find out.
yeah, like 2 theta.
Yeah, 54 also you can find. Yeah, that's it. Not much. That is the only thing.
So 15, 18, then the general one.
Then general, yeah, that's. So values only you need to find this one only.
Mhm.
And there is not much. I think only that much is there.
What is this? That's like half and stuff.
Huh?
Ah.
It's okay.
Okay, fine. Wait. 22 by half is basically your 45 by 2, right?
Yeah, 45 by 2.
Yeah. And 82 by half is what? 82 by half into 2. 82 plus 82. 84. Wait, no. 164. 164 plus 165. Sine 165. Sine 165. Oh, wait, yeah. But then I'm just taking 2 theta directly. How will I get it in forms of 2 theta? Sine square theta is. Oh, wait. Sine 2 theta. How do I turn the sine square to 2 theta? Basically, I need sine square theta minus sine square beta in terms of sine 2a and 2b.
Correct.
So how will I get that?
So sine square 82 and a half now.
Yeah, so we know that uska double is 165. 165 minus 180. No, wait, 180 minus 165 will be 25.
Yeah.
So 25 also we don't have anything sine value.
You have 25 by 2. Okay, so you don't have this part.
We have 22 by 2 though. Like that, sine 45 we have.
Yeah. So, yeah, Vijay. Huh? Yeah, Vijay, what are you telling?
So,
Yeah, Vijay.
yeah, so I don't understand how to do the third one.
Third one not clear. One moment.
No, sir.
Let me just check. Third one. 1 by x. Okay. Simple. Now, let's understand this part, okay? You have one x minus x square is given to you. Okay. And 1 by x is always is the denominator x part. Now what we need to do here is ax minus x square. So if you take the x, if you take the x square common out of it, okay?
Okay.
So this will become a. I will just tell you something. See, let's do one thing, okay? So here, yeah. So what you need to do here is, let's understand this part. So here, you just have to simplify this part, okay? So how do you simplify it?
Okay.
If I just put 1 here, let's say it's 1 here, and out of the root I want to take it the x out. So this I can put it like something like this, Vijay. So bracket. So I take, let's say, x square common, isn't it?
Yeah.
If I take x square common here, and so it'll become bracket. So it'll become the a by x minus 1. Is it okay? The
Yes, sir.
entire term whole power will be 1 by 2. Correct?
Yeah.
So this x square will come out of the root, will become x square here. So 1 by, let's see. So 1 by, it will become x square. Correct? And this will become
Yeah.
bracket. a by x minus 1 whole power is 1 by 2. Isn't it?
Okay.
Now
Yeah.
you can take a by x minus 1 as t. This entire term you can take it as t. Correct? Put t is
Yes,
equal
sir.
to a by x minus 1. Then differentiate both sides, will become dt by dx will be equal to minus a by x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yeah.
So 1 by x, so 1 minus 1 by x square is 1 by x square is already there. So this, when you replace it, will become minus dt into a. Correct? A will be here. Isn't it? A will
Yeah.
be here. And divide by square root of t. Right?
Yes, sir.
T power 1 by 2. Done.
Yes, sir.
Then you just have to integrate it. Is it okay? Now, anyway, a is the constant part. So a is the constant part. Integration you do, and then that's it.
Okay.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Okay, excellent. Try it out now. Yeah,
Okay,
let's
sir.
go to Akshat. What was? Oh, I sent you. I shared you or not? Oh, I didn't share, no? Did I share? No. Oh, did I share my screen to you?
Sorry, sir?
Did I share my screen to you?
No, sir.
No, okay, then how did I?
No.
Oh, okay. Sorry, then I'll just send it to you, Suja. Oh, I thought I was
Okay.
just writing it. I was just writing it here. Okay, I thought I
Oh.
sent you. Okay, look. Did you get it now?
Yes, I got it.
Check. Whatever I talk to you, the same thing is there only.
Hmm.
Okay, Akshat, so let's go to your problem now. What is that? He's telling 82.5 minus this one, right? So, anything happened from here? You could do something. Okay, I think we can't directly do this part, Akshat. Why don't you do one thing? See, doesn't it look like a square minus b square formula? Sine square something minus sine square something. So a square minus b square. So applies sine a plus sine b into sine a minus sine b. Isn't it? You are getting Akshat? Hello? Can you hear me?
Oh, sorry, sir. I was talking on mute.
Oh, yeah, you're on mute.
Yeah, exactly. I was talking on.
Okay, no problem. So what I was telling you is that this looks like to me a square, isn't it?
Yeah.
A square minus b square formula. So this
Okay.
is the, we can put as a square.
Oh,
Minus-
minus b square.
है ना?
Oh, yeah.
Now you can put it now. Then you
No.
can apply the formula sin c plus sin d and sin c minus sin d.
Yeah, 1 second.
Right.
Sine.
Try it out. Vijay, you are getting it? Third question.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Excellent. Superb.
Wait, so a square minus b square. So you take it as sine 82.5 degree minus sine 22.5 degree
Right.
into sine 82.5 plus sine 22.5 Okay, now now is equal to, so it's C minus D formula. So this will be sin C minus sin D. Sin C minus sin D is 2 sin 2 into cos cos 82.5 plus 22.5. 22, wait, I'll be no 2. 82 plus 22 is 4. 104, 105. What? 2.5, 2.55. Yeah, 105.
Okay.
105 by 2. That's a weird number.
Mhm.
Sine 82. Yeah, and 22.5. Yeah, so this will come sine 60. Wait, let me check if the formula is correct. Yeah. And into 2 sine 105 by 2 into cos 60. So now sine 60 is cos 105 by 2 into root 3
Mhm.
into 1 by 2. So into sine 105 by 2. Now, so
Yeah.
I got cos 105 by 2 into sine 105 by
Okay.
sine 105 by 2 into root 3.
Okay. So after that, no problem. So let's see after that what you will get now. You applied the formula and then so okay, what is the value you got this part?
Yeah, and now I got cos 105 by 2 into sine 105 by 2 into root 3.
Okay. Okay, so oh, अच्छा. Did I send you the another formula for you? Sine squared. Okay, one minute. I think I had sent you one more formula, no? Yeah, that is the formula we have to apply. Okay, okay. But anyway, this should work out. Anyway, no problem. So this should work out. So what exactly you are getting? The sine c plus d and sine this one. Let's try to evaluate from there only. Tell me, what did you get, Akshat?
I got cos 105 by 2 into sine 105 by 2 into root 3.
Okay, into root, no problem. So sine, okay, so you got sine this one. So you know sine 2 theta formula? 2 sine theta cos theta?
Wait, what?
Sine 2 theta formula is there, no?
Sine 2 theta is
2 sine theta into cos theta. So you already got so you already got sine sine theta into cos theta, same angle, right?
So into 2 by 1 by into 1 by 2.
Yeah, correct.
So easy.
This yeah, let me just check where did I send you the sine a plus b into sine a minus b formula? Sine a plus b into sine a minus b formula.
No.
Oh,
You
yeah,
can
I
send
did
it,
send you.
yes.
Yeah, I did send you this formula. Can you just check? This is exactly fitting in this formula. Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. This formula I sent you.
I haven't got it yet.
Okay, no problem. I'll just share my screen to you and just check. Yeah, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
This formula I sent you. See?
Oh yeah, you sent.
Sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So sin square A minus sin square B.
I don't have this.
Directly you can put it this one.
But I don't have this. I have cos. Oh, the question.
Question itself is there, sin square A minus sin square B.
Uh,
The direct answer is sin A plus B into sin A minus B. But you can actually do that also because sin 2 theta you are getting, but you can. It will take more time to you because I already
exactly.
derived this formula.
A. Fine, let me try.
Got it?
Hmm.
This is what I was telling you. There are a couple of formulas.
How will I remember it?
Yeah, you asked me what are the other formulas, so I just now I remember this formula also.
Hmm.
Yeah, Vijay, you are getting it now? There you go.
Yes, I'm done with that one.
Awesome, excellent.
Yeah, but I don't understand the fourth one now.
The fourth one is also pretty much same thing, Vijay. You just have to take common.
What should I take on?
Vijay, you just have to take x power 4 common. This is
X power 4?
exactly same as this third problem. How I did?
Yeah.
I'll just share my screen again and do
No,
that.
you don't get how I take x power 4 common.
Okay, Vijay, well, let's understand. Don't worry. We'll resolve your doubt in 1 minute. We'll resolve your doubt in just 1 second. Okay. So can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this, whenever this kind of problems comes, no, always think this part. You need inside this, you just need to, inside this, because anyway, anything which is inside this, no, it's a part of denominator. When you try to differentiate, automatically power will get increased. Got it? So,
Yeah.
what I meant is something like this. What I meant, if you don't understand what I meant, what is something like this. So, let's say there is this part and there is the one here, denominator. Now, what I'll do, what I'm taking is x power 4 outside I want to take of this 3 by 4 root. So, already here x square is there. Correct?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now when I take the x power 4 outside, this 3 power, so what will become? So it will become x power 4 into 3 by 4 and bracket, since it is there in the bracket, so here it will become 1 because you are taking outside, and here it will become plus 1 by x power 4, isn't it? And the whole power is 3 by 4. Is it okay? Okay.
Okay.
So can I cut this part, this 4 here and this 4 here?
Okay.
So this x power cube plus x square, so it will become 1 by x power 5. And when you differentiate this term, so you will get 1 by x power 5 only. When you substitute this as t, this entire term you substitute as t. You got it?
Yeah.
Then 1 by differentiation of 1 by x power 4 will be given as minus 1 by x power 5. And 1 by x power 5 is here only. See, this is x power 5 only. Got it?
Okay.
No? Understood?
Yes, I understood now.
Clear? Now you go. Is your question answered? Why I am taking x power 4 outside? How can I take x power 4 outside?
I got it, sir.
Understood, right? Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now try it all. See,
Yes,
all these
sir.
kind of questions is that only you have to do. Because
Okay.
it's just the differentiation, they want to confuse you that when you do the differentiation of any reciprocal, the power will get increased. And the increased power is already outside in the denominator power. So you should not get confused.
Okay, sir.
Anything in the numerator is there. When you differentiate, power will get reduced. Got it?
Okay.
Anything
Yes,
in the
sir, got it.
denominator, power will get increased. That is what you need to understand. It's just based on that fundamental principle only. Clear?
Okay.
Understood?
Yes, sir. Clear. Yeah.
Okay, super. Yeah, Akshat, are you done?
It's coming sine 105 by 2 into sine 60.
That's fine, no? 105 and sine. And
So 105 by 2, how will I get?
105, though, it's sine 105. 105 will be taken as what?
105 by 2.
Acha, 105 by
See,
2.
sine a plus b into sine a minus b, right?
Correct.
So 82 1 by 2 plus 22 1 by 2 is 105.
So sine 105 by 2 into cos 105 by 2
No, into sine 60.
into sine 60.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, no, sine 30. Sorry.
Sine 30 is the 1 by 2 only. So only
Yeah,
part is
so-
105 by 2. We have to do that, right?
Yeah.
So that can be written as.
Wait, no, not sine 30. Sine 60. Sorry, my bad.
Okay, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Okay.
Yeah, so root 3 by 2 into sine 105 by 2.
Correct. So, no problem. So let's try to. Okay, you applied the formula only and then you are doing it, or you?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you do.
Oh no, wait. So I did something wrong. Wait.
You did something wrong? Okay.
Yeah, it's something. Why am I doing 105 by 2? It's just sine a plus b. It's sine 105 into root 3 by 2. Pakka.
Sure, na? 100%.
Yeah, pakka. Sine 105 into root 3 by 2.
Okay. Sine 105. Now we need to put sine 105 in terms of something, right?
Oh wait, no, sine 105 is what? 180 minus 105. 180 minus 105, 65. No, wait, is it 65? 5, yeah, it's 65. So sine in second quadrant, sine in second quadrant is positive. Sine 65. So sine 65 into root 3 by 2. Sine 65 is what? 45 plus 20, no. 80 minus 15, no. What the? Is there a thing for like?
Yeah, let's do that part.
Wait,
So-
30 plus 60 minus. Wait, no. 65, how will you get?
We'll do the sine 105 you got, right?
No, sine 65. Yeah, that's basically sine 65. No?
Okay, let's say 105 can be written as.
Sine 65.
No, don't worry, don't do that. You can just 105, you can write it as sine 60 plus 45.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. No, sine 90 plus. We can write it as sine 90 plus 15. And that is cos 15.
Yeah, sine 15 value you remember, right?
Yeah. Wait,
That you
no.
have to full. If you don't remember the sine 15 value, then you remember 60 and 45. So sine 105 can be given as sine 60 plus 45. So you apply sine A plus B formula.
Yeah, sine 105 will be sine. Yeah, sine 60 plus 45.
So all the standard angles, apply it.
Yeah. Is equal to. Yeah, so what is this? Sine 60. Wait, a plus b now, so sine.
Sine 60 cos 45 plus
I know.
cos 45 sine.
Cos 60 and sine 45.
Yeah, substitute the values.
So sine 60 plus cos 60. Because cos 45 sine 45 is 1.
Correct.
1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, okay. So Sine 60 root 3 by 2. Okay, wait 1 second.
So Vijay, you
Sine
got the fourth one?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Excellent, superb. You understood, right? How we are doing it now.
Yeah.
Clear? Okay, good. Little tricky, but you will get it on the way. So one by one, every question is little
Yeah.
different, right? You're finding it that,
Yes, sir.
see, till you get the substitution, that time only you have to do. Otherwise, so after that it's easy only. After that is all log will come. Right?
Yeah.
We just need to,
Yes, sir.
by looking at this, you should know that, what kind of substitution you can do. Right? That
Yeah.
is what you can try it out. See, because that's why I was telling you, third and
Okay.
fourth was pretty much the same thing, similar thing.
The fifth one is also pretty much similar.
Fifth one is also pretty much similar. It's only one other thing you have to do in this case. Because here the power will get different, so you will not be able to substitute properly. So you have to think in little different
Okay.
terms, because when you differentiate, it will not come the same power. It will come
Yeah.
little different. So that
Yes, sir.
we need to get it out of this, the 1/3 root and 1/6 root. But same method remains the same, but because 1 plus 1 by x power 1 by 6, when you try to differentiate, it will not come. X power 1 by 3.
Okay.
So you need to substitute x value
Okay.
something such that, but it's a double, 1 by 3 and 1 by 6, right?
Yeah.
So when
Yes,
you do
sir.
something, it will come. Here you may need to use the partial fractions. Got it. And then you'll do.
Yes, sir.
You're fine, no problem. I think let's take this fifth, sixth. This partial fraction, Vijay. Fifth one and sixth one is all based on partial
Okay.
fraction. Just try as a part of homework. This part, okay? In
Okay.
case if you don't get it, then we'll explain to you. Is it okay? Akshat,
Okay,
you got the
sir.
answer?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, chalo, I think let's close it now. You also try the remaining as part of homework, Akshat. And
Bye, sir.
let me know that. Chalo. Okay, chalo, bye. Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Good night.
Good night.